Welcome to this lesson on finding unknown sides in right-angled triangles using the tangent ratio. This is a fundamental skill in trigonometry with many practical applications in the real world. Before we calculate anything, we must correctly label our triangle. Start by identifying your reference angle, theta. The side directly opposite this angle is the opposite side. The side next to the angle, which is not the long diagonal, is the adjacent side. The hypotenuse is always the longest side, but for the tangent ratio, we only focus on the opposite and adjacent sides. The tangent of an angle represents a specific ratio. It is equal to the length of the opposite side divided by the length of the adjacent side. A common way to remember this is the acronym TOA, which stands for tangent equals opposite over adjacent. Let's look at the first scenario. Here, we know the angle is 35 degrees and the adjacent side is 12 meters. We need to find the opposite side. Labeled x, we set up our equation by filling in the values. Tangent of 35 degrees equals x divided by 12. To solve for x, we need to isolate it. Since x is being divided by 12, we do the inverse operation and multiply both sides by 12. The equation becomes 12 times the tangent of 35 degrees. When you type this into your calculator, you get approximately 8.40 meters. Now for the second scenario. This time, we know the angle is 50 degrees and the opposite side is 25 centimeters, but the unknown variable x is the adjacent side on the bottom of the fraction. Our equation is tangent of 50 degrees equals 25 divided by x. Solving for x when it is in the denominator requires an extra step. We can swap the positions of the tangent term and x. This gives us the new equation, x equals 25 divided by the tangent of 50 degrees. Calculating this gives us a length of approximately 20.98 centimeters. This math is incredibly useful for finding heights of tall objects without climbing them. For example, if you stand 40 meters away from a building and measure the angle of elevation to the top as 60 degrees, you can use the tangent ratio to calculate the height, represented here by h. Here are some common traps to avoid. First, always check that your calculator is set to degrees mode, not radians, or your answers will be wrong. Second, remember that if the unknown x is on the bottom, you must divide, not multiply. And finally, tangent only relates the opposite and adjacent sides. Do not use the hypotenuse. To wrap up, always start by labeling your opposite and adjacent sides. Set up the TOA equation. If x is on top, multiply the adjacent side by the tangent of the angle. If x is on the bottom, divide the opposite side by the tangent of the angle. With practice, these steps will become second nature.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.